All right, so on this one, we are going to finish up that wiring stuff. Just got to wire up. Just got to figure out how to wire up some of this stuff. We'll see how much of it I get wired up. I'd like to get all the front end stuff done. I know that I still have the wipers up there that still got to get wired up. So I have to run that through the firewall as well still. But I might just try and run that up in there. So, yeah, I think the things that are left to wire are wipers. Other than that other front end stuff. But after the front end stuff is done, so you got wipers, and then we got to do my power windows. I think that's it. Now I just got to figure out how to do, like, I don't know if I'm going to get that fancy where you do the high-low for your fan. I'm not sure how you do that. I think you need a special relay or something like that for that. Not really sure. I have 5-pin ones, but I'm not sure how that makes it so you have different levels of the fan or whatever. So, but yeah, let's get started. I'll stop mumbling and we'll get some shit done. All right, looks like we were able to get them all wired up. My turn signals went up to here. I think they're in this bunch here. See, they split off there. Went in there. The blue went to light blue. The dark blue, or the purple went to the dark blue off of here for the front turn signals. Then our big wire here is wired up to this switch right here, and that will be our fans. So this will be fans. This will be my high beams. This is the ignition, which will have it has the daytime running lights for the turn signals there, and it has my low beams on as well. So they'll be on all the time, which isn't a terrible thing. It's not going to be the end of the world. Worst case scenario, I need to change it. I can just wire it into my high switch for the up position or some sort. And I do believe that was it. Oh yeah, and then, yeah. So they got wired up. So where they're stacked right here, the red and white, that is the low beam with the daytime running lights for the turn signal part. And then this one is the fan, and this one is high beams. All right, now let's we just gotta go put the grounds in up on the front, and then we can test them, see if I fucked up. All right, let's find out whether or not I screwed the pooch. All right. So, do believe we'll need one here. And we will need another one here. So, in theory, we flip this. Boom, we got low beams. My low beams. Second one should be high beams. Looks like they're all coming on, so high beams work. And those little daytime ones are running too. All right, now turn signal. Awesome. and right turn signal. Sweet. So those are working. And then let's make sure that there's nothing in the way of the fan. Okay. And in theory, this guy. Nope. Oh, nope, it did come on. We blew this amp, or this fuse. I think it's... I know it's high amp, so... I'm not sure what usually. We got a 20 here. So we can try 20, see if 20 is enough. I have to double check, and I got a 25 here as well. Alright. Nope. 25 blue, or 20 I mean, blue. Alright. We'll try 25. If 25 don't work, then we're gonna do some research before we go any higher than that. Alright, 25's working. And the fan's working. Sweet. So now I got this last switch here, which has 3 things wired to it. What those are going to be, I have no idea. We'll find out. Could make these like interior lights, and could make it like all the fancy lights for like shows or something. Because I do want to get like, they have halo versions of the headlight setup I have. I want to get those, but they're a little bit pricey. So it's going to be a later thing, but we could always wire that to this. I also have multicolored interior light things, so we could also do those. So right now, the only thing, okay, we got windows need to be wired. I need to wire up wipers. I also have to wire up, my fuel pump. I have this green wire right here, and that is a trigger wire. So I have to put that onto the ignition and then run. I have to run off of pin 30 off of one of these relays or something. I think it has to go back to the fuel pump itself. Something along that. I got to do a little bit more research on that one. I don't really remember. I'm trying to think what else is there. Oh yeah, I got to get this brown wire here. I need to get another one of these 2-prong flashers with the socket here, so I can put that in line and then run that to constant power, and that'll give me the hazards function. I'll still have to rewire all of my gauges, because I have a gauge there for my boost, and then I have my wideband right here. I plan to get probably like oil pressure and coolant temp, or oil temp, whichever. Trying to think if there's anything else that will be wiring related. I don't think so. Just a few I've went over. I'm not gonna. It has power locks, but I don't give a shit about that. I think that's it. But we have made progress. The ECM, I had that working. Obviously, you've seen that. And now all my lights work, so that's awesome. I'm not doing any marker lights. I'm pretty sure you don't need to have marker lights legally, so that should be fine. But yeah. All right, I'm gonna stop mumbling on. I went on and on and on about this crap, but at least you got to see a little bit more of the car. And I hope I described it really good to you guys. But yeah, I'm glad that everything worked. So like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next.